We are Track Record.
We are never finished.
Sick!
10,000 subscribers. We finally did it.
Finally did it after 2.5 years, I think, of YouTube. We finally hit 10,000 subscribers.
Once we hit it, it was such a relief.
Yeah, pretty
Personally, it was like a weight off my shoulders. Super, super thankful for helping us get to 10,000, every one of you guys, and the people who stuck around and commented on our videos, that continuously comment.
Yeah, all you OGs out there who comment, watch the videos, follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, I mean, this is a crazy moment that, I mean, we're a little late. We hit it actually a couple weeks ago, but we're actually able to finally thank you guys formally for 10,000. All right, so to celebrate 10,000 subscribers, because this is honestly so crazy, we wanted to do something that was really special for you guys and for us, and that is...
So we partnered up with an app called Octane, and the reason we partnered up with them is because we wanted to hold a meetup for you guys. And what this app does is you download it, it connects you to the kind of the car community and shows you a interactive map that's got a bunch of different locations of car shows, meetups, as well as being able to kind of set up a drive between you and your friends while you're on this cruise through a canyon road or wherever. Everyone is kind of marked on your map, so if you ever lose someone or someone gets lost, you can know where they are and they can get back to the group. And
seriously, we would not be promoting them if we didn't really seriously believe in their app. We really wanted to help promote them because we really do believe in what they have to offer and the upcoming things that they're going to be adding later on. That is super sick. And then also the way that it looks, you have like different categories for each different
type of event.
Yeah, so you can have cruises is one, they have car shows, they have meetups, they have like educational stuff, They have Octane sponsored events. So it all just is organized extremely well, looks very good, works very well, and then you can click on each one and see all the information about it. There's like a little header image. The best thing about that is you can actually RSVP to any event, so you can see how many people have RSVP'd through the app.
If you guys want to download the app, you'll be able to find our meetup location and date.
It is going to be at the Best Buy parking lot in Northridge at 3 p.m. December 8th, which is a Saturday. So yeah, just click on that, RSVP through the app, and come check us out at the meet and hang out with us, and we're gonna have a good time. We'll just be there until the sun goes down and hang out for as long as we can and just get to know you guys, and it'll be pretty sweet.
Pretty lit, dude.
Yeah. By the way, if you guys are wondering, this is not the big announcement. That's still coming out.
Yeah.
We've been hyping stuff.
We do have something coming up. It's in the pipeline. We're this close to being able to release it. We're really excited about it, and within the next coming weeks,
yeah,
just get ready
for
something big.
I think that's pretty much it. Anything else?
No. I think we covered it all.
All right.
All right. See you guys there.
So yeah, thank you guys so much again for 10K.
Yeah. But as you know, we are never finished, and we're on the road to 50K.
We're on the road
to 25K.
10,068.
Right, dude?
Yeah, let's hit 68 first. Let's hit 10,068 first, and then we'll worry about it. Yeah, we'll ride that. All right. We will catch you guys in the next one.